Hey guys, I'm here at Calatagan, Batangas, and this is a hidden gem, the Balay Kapitan. You got this whole lot for yourself. You know what to do. This is a review. So we start here at the entrance here at Barangay Talisay, Calatagan, Batangas. Black Gate, don't forget. So this is what you will get if you rent out the entire complex. It is now on Christmas theme. As you can see, Santa's on the house. Balay Kapitan. So they have a mini garden over here if you want to chill out. This one is good for your team buildings. So you can order up your drinks. They have a billiard table. Sounds. You got your darts. Tall table. Fresh air, of course. Also, you got your common bathrooms over here. LNT, leave no trace, of course. And of course, the house itself. This one got 4 rooms. Sharing is caring. You got a mighty tree house over here. So this is what's inside Balay Kapitan. Another garden section where you can relax. And of course, you don't need the beach if you got your own swimming pool. 4 feet to 5 is the most safest pool for Filipinos. You got your shower over there. You got another fancy table here. And of course, bahay ni Kuya. Bahay ni Kapitan. You got a place to chill out. Main road going to Calatagan. Look at that, guys. Crystal clear. Just for you and me. You got your showers. Of course, it's working. Raindrops. And of course, for fine dining experience, you're gonna get not silver, but gold. Gold spoon and fork. OMG, look at that portrait. Hey. So this is Bahay Kapitan or Balay Kapitan here at Calatagan, Batangas.